Hey bitches, welcome back to my channel.
Hey bitches, welcome back to my channel.
That was good. We are back, me and Andre, to film another messy makeup trivia video for you. That was probably one of the most funnest videos I've ever recorded in my entire life.
That was awesome.
So yes, we are here back again today to do it. We have little pink Cello cups, also a big ass fat ass thing of cranberry juice, and it's gonna get lit. We have some new makeup to play with, some new, literally like just came out new. So I'm definitely excited to jump into that. If you guys would like to see, make sure you stay tuned and keep on watching. Also make sure that while you're here, you go ahead and you subscribe to my channel down below. You hit that thumbs up button, and then also make sure you hit that little notification bell so you can get updated every time I upload new videos. We might as well just make this a double channel because at this point I think the last 3 videos I've had in it has had you in it.
Should we?
I mean, damn near. Might as well. Question.
Future plan?
So make sure that you go ahead and go give Andre a follow on both YouTube and you have Instagram. Yes, you have Instagram.
Hawkins00156.
Yes. If you can't remember, I'm going to go ahead and put all of that down in the description box down below. And then you guys can click them and subscribe and follow as you should because this man is awesome. He deserves all the follows. So since we are drinking and smoking today, I just want to put it out there. I do want you guys to practice safe drinking as well as safe smoking. Don't drink and drive, of course. Don't smoke and drive. Don't do anything like that. And don't drink if you are underage. Of course, we are all of age here, so we all are able to make our own decisions, but I do just want to put that out there that if you're watching this, moms, and you hear this on your child's phone, make sure you snatch that phone away because this is not PG-13 at all. This is rated R. And yeah, I have plenty of other videos you guys can watch if you'd like some more PG-13 content. This is just not it. And with that being said, let's just get right into this video. So today, since we're playing messy makeup trivia, we have the bowl that we had last time with all of the questions inside. They're the messy questions. No, it would not be Bunny if she did not hop on here and smoke weed. I don't think I've ever came on here and not smoked weed. So I definitely rolled some blunt or been high before I recorded, right? One of the two. So we rolled some blunts, we got him here to smoke. We're gonna have a little smoke sesh, a little drink sesh, a little makeup sesh. It's a vibe. And with that being said, let's just jump right into this makeup and this messy trivia.
What we're gonna be doing is we are going to pick a question and we are going to answer the question as truthfully as possible. Answer it truthfully, bitch, or I'm gonna kick your ass.
Bitch, I answered it painfully truthfully last time. Painfully truthfully.
If we do not want to answer the questions or it's something that we do not want to put out there, what we have to do is drink.
Let's get started.
Have I ever disliked somebody you were cool with? Yes, and honestly, it's too many fucking people to even name. Like, we don't like a lot of the same people. Fuck everybody else. They don't really matter.
The question I got is longest time that I shower. Not very long. Like, I shower if I don't shower every day, I shower 2 days. But like when I was a child and stuff, yeah, I'm sure I wasn't showering every day. So I'm very excited to film with you guys today because your girl got a brand new palette. No, actually, your boy did too. Yes, we both got new palettes, and I'm excited to show them off. Like, for real.
Hey there, sister.
Hey there, sister.
Look at this. Like, all I had to do was line my bottom brow, line my top brow, and then I go in and I do this.
I heard that shit's crazy pigmented. And then the real tea is that I heard that if you have dark hair and you use the blonde one, it makes your hair look so much more natural, like your eyebrow hairs. I really wanted to try it. I really want to. I was gonna get a blonde one, but I was like, do I really want to spend money on something I don't know works? Like, I don't know. Like, a brown one definitely I would get because it matches my original haircut, but I'm afraid if I get a blonde one and it ends up looking crazy, like, then I wasted that money. But I have heard from a lot of like influencers that does work. So if you have a problem getting like blocky, messy brows, that's a pro tip for you. Pro tip. Hi, my mic.
The taste in your mouth is amazing.
Okay.
Your mom showed me that. But I could tell you how to use it for my skin. But next question is my biggest turnoff. One of my biggest turnoffs, one of them would have to be like when guys have, I don't know how to describe it, like really gross fingernails. Like, you can tell that they work in something dirty or and they don't wash their hands after the fact.
My next question. Okay, it says, what would it take for us to have sex? Not very much. We said we're gonna have kids, so
the liquor's here, so not very much.
Not very much. Okay, so my next step I'm gonna go in with is eyebrows, and then whatever step he's.
I am going to be. Would priming my lids be a step? Okay, be quiet for a second.
No one was even talking.
I don't know.
Be quiet for a second. Okay, your turn, hun. Oh yeah, no, you gotta do that. Like that's tea. Take a shot to that. I mean, I would, shit.
Name your favorite ex or take a shot. So, we already know what the fuck I'm doing.
He said I ain't going out like that. Oh my god, these are tea, y'all. What the fuck is wrong with y'all? My questions is, how many orgasms have you faked? And listen, I'm gonna take a shot.
Tell me. Bitch!
Niggas
Don't
don't
ever
mess with-
talk about eating pussy around me again. Oh, wait. But it's okay.
Yeah,
you
it's
guys
okay.
don't know what we're talking
No,
about.
not
But
at
I
all.
know what we're
And
talking
I
about.
know what we talk about, and that's period. I'm gonna take a shot. Cause that's tea.
That's me.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Thank you, love.
Is
I
it-
took out a whole nose with the fucking makeup brush, bro. It's stuck on that hoe.
Since our steps are a little bit different, since he does eyeshadow first, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my concealer and contour real quick, and then while I'm doing that, he's just gonna do his thing.
Dun, dun, dun. Beautiful shades. I love using this fucking yellow right here. The name is Food Videos. This is the palette I bought today. It is 390L from the Morphe collection, Hit the Light. Look at this palette. Oh my god, it is so fucking cute. Like, all of these shades. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm drunk. Where's the blunt at? Oh,
Might bring that blunt back.
how long you been over there?
Might bring that blunt back.
Listen to me.
Wait, what?
I gave y'all the
Oh. I forgot about the fucking blunt. Relight that bitch. I fucking
Relight
love
that
this.
bitch.
I'm way drunker than you and I'm mad.
Because I
Can't drink like I do because I'm
am a
alcoholic
tiny
sometimes.
person. And I can't do where my stack up. It's like Picasso, I stop my bottles. I'm really got big guys with no big bands in my belly neck.
What's the most degrading thing you've done during sex?
Wow. What's the tea, sis?
Someone spit in my mouth.
Sit on my lap and stare into my eyes intimately for 1 whole minute, or take a shot.
Are you guys ready? I can't. I told you. I'm falling. I'm drunk. I don't know how I fell off. What
Oh my fucking God. Oh my fucking God. I'm gonna go in with the new Makeup Revolution London, I think is what it's called. And I don't know, but when I was in Ulta and I seen this marijuana pattern, I instantly fell in love. You know, your girl had to cop that. This is so me, so my aesthetic, that I had to get it. It is so pretty. It's pretty much like a range of green shades. I will say I'm a little upset because they didn't include like the indica. So I don't know, that's a little salty, but everything else is beautiful. It includes these beautiful, like, I don't even know, like, glitter suspended in, like, a gelatinous substance type shades that are really pretty. Like, you guys. Hold on. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I cannot. Like, $16 palette? Come on now. Cannot beat it. Cannot beat it. Hold up. Where's my weed, guys? Pull your card.
The most scandalous place you've had sex at?
Oh shit.
Fuck, man. Technically be at work because we were the only two on the clock and a customer could have walked in at any moment.
My turn. Okay, so my question is something I've done drunk that I never will sober. a lot of things. Most things that I do drunk, I would not do when I'm sober. And that's the tea. And I'm not even kidding, like most things. Like most things. I literally, that I do drunk, I'm like, when I'm sober, I'm like, why did I do that? Okay, so next step, I'm gonna go in with some bronzer to bronze out this face.
I'm gonna start some moisturizer, foundation, and concealer.
You guys, it's so cold here. I always want to look so bronzy. Like, I miss my tan from this summer, and I'm the type of light skin that gets almost, I mean, partially white, like, in the fucking winter. So, this season, we're bronzing, and we're bronzing a lot, honey, because I need that sun-kissed tan in the winter. Like, my seasonal depression doesn't live for this pale skin.
Biggest lie you ever told your ex or your significant other? Haha, that I love them.
Period. Longest dry spell. Oh my god, my whole life.
She was a virgin for 19 years, so 19 years.
Is my longest dry spell, so. Yes! Next, I'm doing blush.
Next, I'm contouring.
Okay, go ahead.
It is my turn.
It is your turn.
Suck a dick for $1 million or eat an ass for $1 million? Suck a dick for $1 million.
That was easy. What is the last thing you jacked off to? I have never masturbated.
Don't show them my horrible handwriting.
Oh, sorry. Never. I figured. Oh, I love the way that brings me back to life. Like,
I love the sound of beauty blenders.
yeah, like that ASMR sound of it, like tapping. Do y'all see? Ooh, ooh.
I know, bitch. Look at that.
Do y'all see? You guys, we are done. All of our makeup is finished. It's safe to say that we both got drunk. I actually really like the makeup look that I created, as I usually do with the makeup I create when I'm drunk. I don't know why. I usually end up liking it. I think it's very pretty, very natural, of course. I think his makeup is so pretty. He looks like a watermelon.
I'm giving off mad summer watermelon vibes.
Summer watermelon vibes, like on the beach, like breezy, like sandal flip-flop vibes. Yes, like I live for it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave it a big old thumbs up. It helps us out a lot. It keeps us motivated. Sorry, I'm getting like stumbled over because I'm drunk. Make sure you also leave a comment in the comment section down below if you would like us to film more of these. Other recommendations for us to do in the future, and also make sure, like I said in the beginning, to go give him a subscribe, a follow, whatever it be. I love you guys so much. You guys like really make my world go round, and I love what I do, and I love doing this, and this is our passion. We both love being here, we both love filming for you guys, and I love you guys so much, and I hope wherever you are at in the world that you are having a lovely day or night.
Time to go smoke a blunt.
Mwah.